Hey guys, hope you're well. My name's Ivan. I run Odenix, an AI automation agency. Just want to take you through how to improve your AI prompts in a business context. The fastest way, in my opinion, is just using the Risen framework. This, in a few minutes, once you understand this, will improve your prompts massively. So Risen stands for role, input, steps, expectations, narrowing. So role is essentially you just tell an LLM what role they're undertaking. If you think about the task you're asking it to do, and then think about the job title of the person who would do that task, and you can just tell it it's an email copywriter or an email marketer. Next up, we've got input. That's where you essentially give it all the information it needs to do what it has to do. Provide information, context, details, data, all that kind of thing. So, for example, to continue the sales email example, you can tell it in detail about the product, the writing style. You can provide examples of other emails you want it to be like, etc. So next up, steps. So you can just break down the task into numbered chunks, provide an order. So here I've got the example: first introduce the pain points, then introduce the product, and end with a call to action, for instance. Next up, we've got expectation. So you want it to be as specific as possible in what you want at the other side. So you can see here I've provided the example: the sales email should highlight the features and benefits of the product and how they relate to the user's pain points. And finally, we've got narrowing. By focusing the response, you get a better output. And the best way to focus the response is specifying boundaries. You can give it like a word count, for example, guidelines, all that kind of thing. So now finally, let me give an example of a bad prompt and a good one. So a bad prompt would just be to tell it to write a sales email for this product I've invented, the X1000. Here's a much better prompt. Let me move my face out of the way so you can see it a bit better. So as you can see, I've started with a role. I've told it it's an email copywriter with an expertise in crafting compelling sales copy. Next up, we've got the input. Write me a sales email for the X1000. I've given it detail about the X1000. I've said it's a smart multifunction assistant with an all-in-one voice assistant, holographic display, and universal compatibility. I've told it about the warranty, the money-back guarantee, 24-hour battery life, and its price point. So it has everything it needs to craft an email about it. I've given it steps, list the key pain points, list how the features and benefits of the product, address those pain points, etc. And then here we've got the expectation. We've told it to be a compelling sales email. We've given the tone we want it written in. I've also told it that I've included some emails that I want it to sound like in the attachment. And then finally, I've narrowed down. I've told it a rough word count, told it to write according to brand guidelines that I've also included in the attachment. So hopefully in the few minutes this has taken, I've helped bring you from being a little bit unsure of how to write good prompts to being able to write good prompts. I think Risen's a fantastic framework to just very quickly be able to write good prompts. So hopefully you will now start to get better outputs from AI, and that will help you. So thanks very much for watching. Cheers. Bye.